We can handle all online courses, business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, My IT Lab Guides. In today's session, we are tackling Chapter 2 of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on HOE Townsend Mortgage Company. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exams, or complete course. Don't hesitate to connect for support in various courses. Let's start this assignment and solve step by step. Title of assignment is XP22 Excel Chapter 2 HOE Townsend Mortgage Company. You can see project description here to get idea about your assignment. Move to the step number 1. Step number 1 is about Start Excel. Download and open the file XP22 Excel Chapter 2 HOE Loan. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file. In this step, basically you have just start Excel and download and open your file. You can download your file from IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded and opened this file. So move to the next step, that is step number 2. Step number 2 is about you would like to create a formula to calculate the amount financed for each loan. Enter a formula in cell D8 to calculate the amount financed for the first mortgage. Once completed, copy the formula down, completing column D. In this step, we have to enter a formula in cell D8 to calculate amount financed for first mortgage. When we have calculated our amount financed in column in cell D8, we have to copy down through the column for completing column D. Go to the Excel worksheet in cell D8. We will calculate our amount finance here by entering formula. We will calculate amount finance by subtracting our house cost that is stored in B8 and down payment that is stored in C8. Press enter. It will calculate our amount finance by using this formula. Now we have to copy the formula down for completing column D. Use autofill to copy this formula from D9 to D12. Move to the next step, that is step number 3. Step number 3 is about you would like to create a formula to calculate the monthly interest rate per period for each loan. Enter in formula in cell F8 to calculate the monthly interest rate for the first loan. Add the appropriate absolute cell reference for cell B5 and then use the fill handle to copy the formula down, completing column F. In this step, we have to enter a formula in cell F8 and calculate our monthly interest rate for first loan. We will add appropriate cell references for cell B5 and then we'll copy the formula down for completing column F. Firstly, we will go into the Excel worksheet. In cell F8, we will calculate our rate per period. We will calculate our rate per period by using formula in which we will use our mortgage rate that is stored in E8 divided by our payments per year that is stored in B5. Store in B5. Press enter. It calculates our rate per period by using this formula. Copy the formula down for completing column F. We will use autofill handle to copy this formula from F9 to F12. Move to the next step, that is step number 4. Step number 4 is about you would like to calculate the total number of payment periods for each loan. To complete the task, you will use a mixed cell reference as an alternative to an absolute cell reference. Enter a formula in cell H8 to calculate the total number of payment periods per loan. Use an appropriate mixed cell reference for cell B5 and then use the fill handle to copy the formula down, completing column H. Basically, in this step, we have to enter a formula in cell H8 that will calculate our total number of payment periods per loan. We have to use an appropriate cell reference for B5 and then we will copy the formula down. Go to the Excel worksheet. In cell H8, we will calculate our number of periods. It can calculate by, for calculating this, we will use our years that is stored in G8. We will write here our formula and write our years that is stored in G8, multiply it by our payments per year that is stored in B5. Press enter. It will calculate our number of periods, number of payments per period by using this formula. Use fill handle to copy the formula for completing column H. Use fill handle to copy this formula for completing column H. Move to the next step, that is step number 5. In step 5, we will have to calculate the total value of the home being financed. Use auto sum in cell B16 to calculate the total value of homes owed. In this step, we have to just calculate sum for our values that will stored in cell B16. In Excel workbook in cell B16, we have to calculate our total house costs. Total house costs values are stored in B from B8 to B12. Here we will add these values. So we will use sum function and will sum up these values from B8 to B12. B8 to B12. B8 to B12. Press enter. We will write here equal sign and then press enter. It will calculate our total home cost. Now move to the next step, that is step number 8. That is step number 6. Number 6 is about you would like to calculate the average value of all homes being purchased. Use AutoSum in cell B17 to calculate the average value of all homes being purchased. In this step, basically we have to use AutoSum in cell B17 to calculate average values of all homes. Go to the Excel worksheet in cell B17. We have to calculate average of all house cost values. All house cost values is stored in B8 to B12. So we will use here average function to calculate its average function and select values from B8 to B12 where house cost value is stored. We will close brackets and then press enter. It calculates our average house cost value by using this formula. Move to the next step, that is step number 7. Step number 7 is about you would like to calculate the median value of all homes being purchased. Enter a function in cell B18 to calculate the median value of the all home being financed. In this step, we have to enter a function for calculating the median of our all home values. Go to the Excel worksheet in cell B18. We will write our median function to calculate median of house cost. So we will use median function and select the range from B8 to B12. Close bracket and press enter. It calculates our median of house cost values by using this function of median. Step number 7 is completed now. Move to the next step, that is step number 8. Step number 8 is about you would like to display the cost of the least expensive home. Enter a function in cell B19 to display the value of the least expensive home finance. In this step, we have to calculate least expensive home finance in cell B9 by using function. Go to the Excel worksheet. In B19, we have to calculate our lowest value house cost values. So for calculating the lowest values, we will use a function of min function and select values in this range for house cost. Press enter. It calculates our lowest house cost value by using min function. Step number 8 is complete now. Move to the next step, that is step number 9. In step 9, we have to display the value of the most expensive home finance. Enter a function in cell B20 to display the most expensive home finance. In this step, basically we have to calculate most expensive home finance by entering a function in cell B20. Go to the Excel worksheet in cell B20, write a formula that will calculate our highest house cost. So we will use a function of max and select the range from B8 to B12. Press enter. It calculates our max house cost finance by using max function. Move to the next step, that is step number 10. Step number 10 is about enter a function in cell B21 to count the total number of homes being financed based on the values column B. In this step, we have to enter a function in cell B1 that count the total number of homes being financed based on the values that is stored in column B. Go to the Excel worksheet. In B21, we will calculate our total number of values. For calculating this, we will use count function and select value from B16 to B20. Press enter. It will calculate total number of values that is stored, total number of house costs that is stored in column B. It is 5 that we calculate by using count function. Total steps in this assignment is 17. I have done 10 steps by completing each and every detail given in the instruction of these steps. For remaining steps of these assignments are help in another assignments, exams, quizzes, our entire course covering Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Finance Management, Information Technology and more. Feel free to get in touch with me. Contact me through provided email or WhatsApp given in description or display on screen and make deal with me. I assure you for achieving an A grade in your all courses. Thanks for watching my videos. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the videos. Thank you.